Hi, it's a brand new Sunday and it's not really that sunny. So today I'm going to be going to COEX Auditorium, and in particular I think I'm going to be visiting the aquarium over there. So I'm very excited. So let's go! So this is the art installation called The Way, and I mean, look at that. Look at how clear the water is. You could think that this is actual real water. I almost wish there was sound because I can practically hear the wave. This is the Starfield Library. Look at this place. The Pure Madang Library. I can literally spend the entire day over here perusing the books, sitting at one of those spots up there, and just reading and enjoying being between the books. So this is a new art installation that they've made, and you can walk through it. And there we are, COEX Aquarium. Hey look! I found Dory! I think these are clownfish. No, these are called foxface. Hi, so we're here at the COEX Aquarium, and let's go inside, shall we? So this is an entire ecosystem over here. Lotus flowers. And look at this cute little squirrel over here. Adorable. Oh, it's so hot.
ये लिंक रिवर में से बहुत आके पकड़ के लाएंगे ये लोग गंगन रिवर में से
हाँ शायद
송사리 있나 봐. 송사리는 한 군데 동네도 있었는데.
개구리 어디 있어? 여기
개구리 쪽이 있대. 언니들이 가르쳐주네. 네, 낙자.
Look at these ones.
고기 이름이 낙자라고.
क्या है
White nose loach. These are Chinese minnows. This one is Sanzi, Korean dark sleeper. And yeah, I think he's asleep. Scannel catfish and blue gill. Oh, see, the gills are blue. Oh, hi. Hello. You curious about the rectangle? And now we walk along the Hangkang. So this is what is up the river, so upstream. Oh, you're swimming together. This is the middle of the river. Oh ho ho. Oh wow. 오. 아, 야, 너무 이쁘다. So these are the huge pots that they use to make rice in. there's a little heart in there.
잉어다 잉어. 잉어 안녕.
So these little fishies are hungry because you can actually feed them. Fish in Wonderland. Look at these fish. Oh hi, there's BTS. I'm gonna take a picture there in just a second. Hello? What you looking at? No. Oh, he's eating. I thought he was brushing his teeth. What you can usually do is put your hand in one of here, and then this fish will eat off your all dead skin. So, right? How about a fish light? Well, I want this bookshelf. It will be full of all of my books. And look at that! Next we're going to the Amazonian world. When fish can fly, they'll be in the sky.
오 먹었다. 아빠. 우와.
Well, aren't you a looker?
얘가 동아리 4개인가?
We have albino iridescent sharks. They're so cute. And just iridescent sharks as well. So this is the red arowana, which is a precious species because it protects half the family. Oh my god, look at that neck. This is the common snake neck turtle. And oh yeah, that is very snaky. Look at these. Oh, you know why they're looking at me? Because I am food. These are piranha. Hello? These are some more albino fish. Oh my god, they are so cute! And these are two American beavers. Little babies. Little full-sized ones. He's a moon jellyfish furrow.
그건 해파리야, 해파리.
해파리.
해파리 새끼들도 있다.
오, 그러네.
또 있다.
어.
또 있다. 이거는 뭐가 있나요?
Look at that big boy. Ooh, did you see that? That's how they catch their prey. These are so big. That's a flounder. It just sits there. These are eel. So shiny. This is so beautiful. That's a shark. Ugly. Wow. Wow.
그게 더 비싸고 있어. 엄청 큰 창어가 있다.
Hey, it's feeding time. So this is the marine mammal village. Hi there.
क्या बोलते हैं इसको? It's called मनाते.
Pig-nosed turtle.
It's here, no?
Oh, look. There are manatees here. Those big ones, those are manatees. Yes. Oh, look. There's a manatee eating a lettuce. Or at least attempting to. Manatees are basically ocean cows. Hey now, you can share your food. Look, the pig-nosed turtle wants to get into. Did you see that? Oh my god, that was hilarious. Pig-nosed turtle coming back for more. Trying to eat the scraps. Here we are in the tunnel. So you must have seen this for those who are drama watchers. In the drama, I Can Hear Your Voice.
물고 되게 많잖아.
Hello. Hi. Okay, bye. Fish are our friend, not food. Look at the teeth on that thing. Oh yeah, you're hungry for me, aren't you? Oh, this one.
It's a moon jellyfish. The jellyfish has a kind of tongue structure.
That is a huge set of crabs.
ये कैसा octopus हुआ भाई?
Hey, walk here and you can see the suction cuppy things. Oh look. Here we have ocelots. I mean, look at these little things. They're so adorable. They have legs.
먹었을 때 잘 먹는 애는 주는데 안 먹는 애는 안 주지. 잘 먹어야겠지, 너네도. 이렇게 앉아 안 먹으면 다른 친구를 주는 거야.
I think this one is probably the most common one.
잘 먹는 애들은
Aren't you curious little babies?
내가 잘 안.
So many penguins.
완전.
됐다. 싸면서 저렇게 됐다. 아, 쟤도 부른다. 쟤도.
Hi. Hello there.
여기 많지?
Hi.
갈 거야. 아빠 화장실 갔다 오면 가자.
구? 우와. 오, 잘했어. A milk tea from the alley, which you might have seen in the recent Korean TV series The King. And this one is the brown sugar Derioka milk. So I'm really excited to see how it's gonna taste. I think it's gonna be sweet. Alright, so until next time, bye!